Good afternoon, Michelle, and thank you for inquiring about the Hyundai Sonata SE. I picked up the exact one you inquired about. As you can see, phantom black with a beige cloth interior. As we walk towards it, you can see it's got alloy wheels. It also comes with a blind spot mirror. So let's take a look inside. Michelle, this has got the Yes Essential cloth fabric. It also comes with a Bluetooth CD player, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can put your phone in and get all the latest navigation and all the apps. So let me tell you more about the warranty. Michelle, you're going to love the way this Sonata drives. You get an average of 32 miles combined, 36 on the highway, 29 around the city. But the greatest thing is we give you America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 miles new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which will exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. We'll also give you 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Michelle, there's only a few days left to the end of the month. We are open Sunday from 1 till 5. So if you've got time in your schedule, please give me a call. My name is Mark on 205 720 6581. Look forward to meeting you and taking you for a test drive and making this car your new car. Thank you for inquiring here at Tameron Hyundai.